Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Notion Kanban board setups for teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Notion Kanban board setups for teams, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Notion website or the Notion template gallery. Use the search bar to find Kanban board templates. Browse through the available options to find a setup that suits your team's needs. Once you select a template, click on it to open its details page. Review the description and features of the template to ensure it's what you're looking for. Look for a duplicate or use this template button on the page. Click the duplicate button. Log in to your Notion account if prompted. The template will now be copied to your workspace. Navigate to your Notion workspace to find the newly added Kanban board. You can customize the board according to your team's workflow. Add team members by sharing the board with them. To do this, click on the Share button at the top right of the page. Enter the email addresses of your team members. Set their permission levels as needed, such as can edit or can view. Finally, make any additional adjustments to fit your project. Your team is now ready to start using the Notion Kanban board. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.